Good morning, students. We meet here once again for another Data Communication and Networking lab session. So, this lab session will be under Module 2, Lab Session 2.9.1, which you can download from your Google Classroom that you enroll in. Okay, so let's start our lab session for now. So, please download the lab activity from our Google Classroom under Lab Activity 2.9.1 for Packet Tracer. So once you have downloaded it and run the file in your own PC, you will open this window under Packet Tracer, Cisco Packet Tracer, where you have two windows, which is the topology window and also the instruction window. So we are going to do the lab session according to the instruction provided here. Okay, so your instruction for today, okay, the title is Packet Tracer Basic Switch and End Device Configuration. Okay, now you have your addressing table here. Okay, let's put it up a little bit. Okay, so you have this addressing table, means that this is the device, provided for device here, and the interface for all this device. And you have IP addresses for all these devices and also the subnet mask accompanying these devices. Okay, so our objective for today is to configure hostname and IP address for the two Cisco Internet Operating System switches, which means these switches using the command line interface, and to use Cisco iOS commands to specify or limit access to the device configurations, and then use iOS commands to save the running configuration, and then configure two host devices with IP addresses and to verify connectivity between two BCN devices. Okay, so this is the objective of our lab session for today. So let's see the scenario here. As a recent hired LAN technician, your network manager has asked you to demonstrate your ability to configure a small LAN, local area network. So your tasks include configuring initial settings on two switches using the Cisco iOS and configuring IP address parameters on host devices to provide end-to-end connectivity. You are to use two switches and two host PCs on a cable and powered network. Okay, so these are the scenario. You are a hired LAN technician for now. So, but we have only a small network here. Okay, so let's proceed with what we should do today. Okay, the instruction. So we have this requirement, a very short instruction. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so the instruction is configure the device to fulfill the requirements below. Okay, so now use for the requirement one, use a console connection to access each switch. So you need to access each switch by console connection. So how do you do that? So you see under the connections, you can pick up the console cable here, attach to one PC. Okay, console connection is under RS232, attached to a console port for your class A switch. And then let's do the same for another PC, for RS232 to class B console. Okay, so let's access the switch first for switch A. Okay, when you open your switch A, you get the desktop. Open your desktop. Okay, for you to access your switch according to the console port, okay, you just press terminal and terminal, okay, according to these settings, and then you will get your terminal here. And when you press enter, you'll get your access for your switch. Okay, so now this is for switch A. So now you are in a user mode. Okay, in order to change the host name, you need to be in your privilege mode. So you just press in enable, and then you type in host name class dash A. Okay, you need to change it first, right? So I think I made a mistake here. Okay, so let's see. I need to change it to configure terminal first. Configure terminal, and then hostname class A. Okay, now your switch is in, your switch already changed into class A. You see here, your switch changed into class A. So now exit the configuration terminal, and when you enter again, okay, your privilege mode, the name will be under class A. Okay, now let's take a look at all the requirement first. Okay, so we are going to do for both class A and class B switches, but let's focus on class A first. Okay, now you have to change the password for all lines. Okay, and then use the this password for your secret password. Okay, let's start to do it. Okay, let's set up the password. So entering configure terminal. Okay, so let's say in your configure terminal, okay, in your configure terminal, type in line console 0 and put in password. For class A here is 8UBRU. Okay, and then log in, exit. Okay, so you have entered your, okay, let's take a look at exit. Okay, and let's see. Okay, when you return again, you see you need to put in password U8UBRU. Okay, and then you get to enter this session. Okay, so your password already finished for your console port. Okay, so we finished with our console port. So the next thing is that since it mentioned that you need to put password for all the lines, okay, we need to put in password uh, for the other lines as well, which is under the VTY password. So you put in configure terminal again. Okay, from here line VTY015. So you put in VTY015 and then you put in the password, okay, which is same password as before, 8UBRU, and then you put in login and finally end. Okay, so you configured all your console port, okay, and all your VTY line as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one, okay, which is use this password as your secret password. Okay, for you to enable secret password, go to the configure terminal again, enable secret, and then your password C9WRE. Okay, so you have enabled your secret password, and then you just exit. So let's take a look at, okay, what you have done so far. So you enter the password first, the first password, which is 8UBRU. Okay, then you enter enable. Okay, you have to enter your second password, which is C9WRE. So you enter your privilege mode. So now they want you to encrypt all your clear text password. So for this one, just go back to your configure terminal, then type in service password encryption. So let's take a look. Okay, and then exit. So let's take a look at your running configuration. Okay, you see that your password here, okay, already encrypted here for your enable secret password, and for your other password, for your other line, okay, you see that your lines, okay, you have your, okay, password for console port, password for all the VTY, okay, So I think your password is already set up for this for these switches. So now let's configure the message of the day, which is under configure terminal as well. And then banner MOTD bracket. Okay, let's put something cool. Caution. Access restricted. Okay, and then exit. Then let's take a look at exit again. Okay, enter. See that your banner is already here. Caution, access restricted. Oh, I think I make a spelling mistake here, but it doesn't necessary because it's just a text showing. Okay, so you type in your password first. UBRU, and then the password. Okay, you're entering the class here, and then another password C9WRE. Okay, so your password, all of them are encrypted. So based on show running config. So your password all encrypted. So we finish in this one, and then we just need to save the configuration, which is okay, copy running config start up config. Yes, so already all of them are configured as well. So now next, let's go towards your next switch. Okay, let's head towards our next switch. Go towards the second PC here. Click on desktop. Go towards terminal. Okay, and you'll enter your second switch. So firstly, we need to go to privilege mode and then configure terminal. So you can configure the host name first. So change the host name into class B. Okay, you got class B configuration here. Okay, so exit first. So you need to change the password for all line. So enter back configure terminal. Okay, so let's configure the password for the console first. Okay, in your configuration here, we type in line console 0, and then password, same password you used before, 8UBRU. Login, exit. Let's take a look. The console port. Okay, you have to access your using your password now. Okay, so let's do another password for all lines. So enter again configure terminal. Line VTY. Okay, 015, and the password 8U password 8UB RU. Okay, login. Okay, Z. So yeah, Z again. Okay, so then okay, let's take a look at other things. Okay, you need to put in your secret password as well. So and then in your configure terminal, okay, enable secret C9 WRE. So then, okay, that is it. Okay, so you want to enter here, you have to put in 8UBRU. 8UBRU. Okay, and then enable. You have to put in your second password C9WRE. Okay, so you have configured your password. Okay, so let's take a look at whether your password, let's encrypt first. Okay, so configure terminal. Okay, service password encryption. Okay, so it should be working now. And okay, so let the banner MOTD, and same thing we did before. Caution, access restricted. Oh, sorry, forgot to insert this end part. Okay, so let's exit everything. Okay, press enter. So you see that your banner already there. Oh, I think I made a mistake here. So this one still remains, so I need to edit again. So okay, so let's just log in here. Okay, the password is 8UBRU, and then enable KC9WRE. Okay, so we have here, so let's try and fix those banner first. Okay, so configure terminal. Okay, oh, configure terminal, banner MOTD. Okay, function access restricted. Okay, so exit. Okay, so it's gone. Okay, so now again, try again. 8UBRU and 8UBRU. Okay, I have problem with my shift button. So enable password C9WRE. Okay, so now let's see your running configuration. Running config. So you have here, okay, your password is already encrypted. So let's take a look. Okay, I think your line also already with password that is encrypted. Okay, you have the banner. You have password for all your lines. Okay, then okay, you should just finish with copy running config start up config. Yes, so you finish setting up your switches. Okay, so okay, so you have, oh, I think we haven't finished yet. Okay, we need to configure. I forgot about this. The another message down here. So configure addressing for all devices according to the addressing table. So let's take a look at the switch first. Okay, so we need to configure the switch address first. Okay, for B configuration for IP configuration terminal. So let's take a look at your IP address first. Okay, so here we have class B is VLAN 1 10.10.10.150. Okay, so let's take a look. Interface VLAN 1. Okay, you are in the interface VLAN 1. Then put in IP address 10.10.10.5, and with the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Okay, and then no shutdown because we want it to be activated automatically immediately. Okay, so then we exit. Okay, so now let's take a look at show running config. Oh, sorry, the exit one. Show running. Okay, you see that the interface VLAN 1 already inserted in the running configuration. So again, okay, here copy running config, startup config. Oh, I think I did a mistake. So this is class B. Oh, sorry. So it's a student 2. So I forgot then. Okay, again, I have to do it again. Configure terminal. Okay, so inside here, interface VLAN 1, IP address 10.10.10.150 with 255.255.255.0, no shutdown, and exit. Okay, so you exit another one and show running config. Show running config. So you see down here, oh, see the VLAN 1. Okay, so you see that the VLAN 1 10.10.10.150. So we already finished. Okay, so for class B. So again, copy running config, startup config. Startup config. Yes. Okay, we finished with class B, and then we close the class B window, go towards class A. Oh, so you have access to here. Now, okay. Okay, so we should remember our password from before, which is 8ubru enable KC9WRE. Okay, and then next is configure terminal. Okay, for the configuration, okay, in configure terminal, interface VLAN 1 IP address. So the next top one for this one is 10.10.100 255.255.255.0. So then no shutdown, exit. So exit again, and then show running config. Okay, see down here. Okay, your IP interface already there. So we finish with class A, and just copy running config. Startup config. Yes, okay, we finished with class A. So then we are going to configure the IP address for all your devices. Okay, so we finish, close this one, and then we go towards student 1. Okay, student 1 IP address, click on the IP configuration here. So IP address is 10.10.10.4 255.255.255.0. Finish. Okay, then student 2. Okay, 10.10.10.5. Okay, 255.255.255.0. Finish. Okay, you see that my completion is 100%. Okay, so this one I'll show you guys later. So firstly, we need to try and ping the IP address. So let's try and ping first in the command prompt. So ping the terminal for switch 1. Okay, you got response. So finish. Okay, then ping for 150. Okay, you got connection, and then ping for 5. Oh, okay, you already got the connection there. So means that we already completed everything. So how do you know? So you can hear at the bottom down here there is a button which is check results. Okay, you can check your result here under assessment items, and you can see I completed everything here. Oh, all of them tick. Okay, you have the 24 signature here. Okay, means everything is completed. So I've done this perfectly. Okay, so you should be able to check all your tasks here, and for our skill-based test later on, okay, it will be like this. Okay, where you have to put in the password, everything. So you don't have to worry, it's not that difficult, you just need a little bit of practice. Okay, hopefully this video can help you later on in your practice. Okay, don't hesitate to ask anything later on in our Google Classroom platform or inside the video is fine. Okay, so hopefully I see you guys in your next video, in my next video. Okay, so based on that, okay, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next lab video. So stay safe, stay at home, and stay steady. See you guys later. Bye bye.